TreasureMap. Hi my friends, today we're going to be learning how to make a treasure map so you could have lots of fun having lots of treasure hunts. Are you ready? Let's go! So the things we'll need to make our map is brushes, a pencil, a pen, an eraser, a spoon, instant coffee, hot water, and rice. So first we are going to be making the coffee paint for our map. First we are going to add a bit of hot water. Next we are going to add a small teaspoon of coffee powder. After that, continue doing the same thing and cover the whole page with coffee paint for 1 day and let it dry. After 1 day, welcome back to part 2 on how to make a fantasy map. Things you'll need to make the map is a bowl of rice, a pen, you could use a black pen or a brown pen, a pencil, and an eraser. So next we are going to be taking our rice and going to put it on the paper. After we spread the rice, we are going to trace it with a pencil. Next, we are going to fold the paper and then we are going to put the rice back into the bowl. And there you have your fantasy map. After I added coffee around the map, I made some dotted lines to show where it leads to and added a X marks the spot. You can also frame it. I've drawn a few things on my map. A castle, a campsite, a garden, and a skull island. Let me know how your map looks like in the comment section. I'm Ryan. Bye bye.